It's time for today's Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Shrair in Springfield. We're joined by attorney Susan Mielnikowski. We're talking about internet forms. I think a lot of us see them, and when we're thinking about maybe saving money, we think about downloading these forms and creating legal documents on our own. Is it a good idea?
It is not a good idea. I can see the attraction. They're inexpensive, they're easy, you can do it from your living room. The marketing packages indicate that you're getting everything you need, but the problem is you really don't know. And the words on the page may be accurate, the content may be appropriate, but you don't have the assistance up front to determine your personal situation, whether this is the right fit for you. And once you go into the document and buy it, do you know how to use it? Do you know how to make sure that you're doing the right things to make sure the document is accurate? So, you know, LLC formations, corporation formations, wills, leases, the documents themselves might be fine, but really you're not going to know how to use them necessarily unless you have background in the area. So
that's why people need to consult with a lawyer. What if, though, people are watching at home and they're saying to themselves, I've purchased the form, what am I going to do with it now? So what if they're stuck? They've filled out a little bit, but they don't know what they're doing.
Right. And again, if you've already bought a form online, I know it seems to defeat the purpose, but you should see an attorney to make sure that you've done the right thing with the form, make sure it suits your needs, make sure you know how to use it. And sometimes, unfortunately, the lawyer might replace the form, but it does defeat the purpose. It can save costs in the long run, though, because if something is done poorly and you need to fix it after the fact, it could be worse.
That's true. If you make all the appropriate decisions now, it's going to save you a lot in the long run.
That's
Susan,
right.
it's always a pleasure having you here.
Thank you.
Thanks for those tips. You heard it here first, and for more information, call 413-781-0750 or just visit CooleyShrair.com.